in-season tournament finals, neutral court. Sa first possession, gritty defense agad para sa Pacers as discipline sila sa mga cross matches and walang easy look na binigay sa Lakers. And number 1 sila sa pace ngayon sa NBA, resulted to this transition 3-pointer in the corner para sa first points ng finals. Okay din yung coverage ni Miles Turner dito. Siguro maraming magka-question bakit niya pa inaangatan si Davis, hindi naman titira sa labas. Pero kasi yung body ni Miles is ready to sag. Naisahan lang talaga siya dito ni Cam Reddish. Sidestep and move, 2 points. And ito naman yung guards pick and swing or pick and pop action ng Pacers. Because of Tyrese getting respect from both his driving and outside shooting, mas luluwag sa kanyang teammates. Good recovery lang from Prince, extra pass sa corner, and what a shot from Obi Toppin. Si Davis pa mismo yung challenge niya, ang tapang. And dito na natin i-question si Miles Turner sa kanyang coverage. Kanina 'di ba? Okay, ngayon nung si LeBron na hindi na siya naka-drop coverage. Like si LeBron yun mas deadly pag umatake. And hindi niya na binantayan yung paint para sa Pacers. He is a great shot blocker pero marami siyang lapses. Kahit dito sa PNR action, he could have at least challenged the shot of D'Angelo Russell. Kaya Lakers got the momentum sa first period and kinakain siya ni AD. Sa second quarter, bakit mas mabilis pa yung senior sa young squad ng Indiana Pacers? 4 na Pacers yung ahead dapat on defense, pero another lapse for them leading to this easy 2 points from LeBron. Nare-recognize ni LeBron na itong lineup na nilagay ng Pacers ang perfect time for him to operate kasi who can guard him? Who can stop him at the rim? Kaya nga dito, pagkakita niya ng matchup, high post agad siya tapos back down hanggang makakuha ng touch sa paint. Ayun, what can we say about this? Minamaw na lang talaga. Again, ang tagal ng lineup change ng Pacers. LeBron posting these smaller defenders. Another easy bucket for LeBron James. Samahan mo pa ng scoring explosion ni Austin Reeves. What a game for Anthony Davis. Sumobra naman ata yung pag-show ni Turner dito at nasa labas na siya ng court. And si Davis, wala na namang coverage sa PNR action. Sinong i-expect mo sa Pacers na pumigil sa kanya kung yung main stopper nyo is not going hard kahit kanina pa? He also allowed those offensive rebounds. And dito, makikita natin kung paano na-outplay ni AD si Turner all game long. It's just, he didn't give his full effort. Simple nga lang yung pag-seal dito ni Davis And nice entry pass from D'Lo. Dak. And asan yung rim protection? GG, Lakers is the champion.